Best 3D printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. Looking to create large, high-quality 3D prints without breaking the bank? The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus is your go-to 3D printer for big projects at a modest price. With its generous 15.2 x 12.6 x 12.6 inch build volume, it stands out among sub-$500 3D printers by delivering jumbo-sized prints that rival higher-end machines. Perfect for both beginners and hobbyists, the Neptune 4 Plus combines affordability, versatility, and reliability. This FDM open-frame printer supports a wide range of materials, including PLA, ABS, PTG, nylon, ASA, and TPU, allowing for creative flexibility. Its single extruder delivers a top print resolution of 100 microns, producing detailed and precise models consistently. The printer's open-frame design offers full visibility of motors, belts, cables, and the extruder, making it an excellent learning tool for newcomers to 3D printing. Setting up the Neptune 4 Plus is straightforward. A bit of assembly is required, but the process is guided and manageable. It connects easily via USB thumb drive or Wi-Fi, and the user-friendly interface ensures smooth operation. Whether you're a 3D printing beginner eager to explore the process or a cash-conscious hobbyist looking to make impressive large prints, the Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus delivers exceptional performance for the price. Be sure to add at least one filament spool or opt for a bundle to get started right away. Backed by a 1-year warranty, it's a dependable choice for your creative projects. Number 2. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a compact, budget-friendly 3D printer that packs remarkable performance into a small footprint. With the optional add-on module, it can print using up to 4 different colored filaments, making multicolor creation simple and fun. Despite its affordable price, the A1 Mini delivers high-quality prints at impressive speeds, making it a perfect entry point for 3D printing enthusiasts. This FFF, fused filament fabrication, printer is exceptionally easy to set up and operate, arriving nearly fully assembled. Beginners will appreciate its straightforward setup, problem-free operation, and quick printing results. The closed-frame design ensures reliable prints while keeping the printing area protected, and the user-friendly interface accessible via Wi-Fi or microSD card makes controlling prints effortless. With a 70.9 by 70.9 by 70.9 mm build area, the A1 Mini is ideal for small to medium-sized projects. It supports a variety of filament types, including PLA, PTG, TPU, and PVA, giving hobbyists and creators plenty of flexibility. The single extruder achieves a top print resolution of 100 microns, ensuring fine details and smooth finishes. Whether you're a beginner looking for a hassle-free 3D printing experience or a budget-conscious hobbyist eager to explore multicolor printing, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini delivers excellent results without compromising quality. Lightweight and compact at just 12 pounds, it fits comfortably on any desk or workspace. Backed by a 1-year warranty, it's a reliable, cost-effective choice for creative makers. Number 3. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max. The Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max sets a new standard for resin 3D printing, delivering speed, precision, and convenience in one powerful package. Designed for enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals alike, this SLA printer produces everything from tiny miniatures to large, highly detailed models with ease. Its automatic resin handling system works seamlessly behind the scenes, minimizing cleanup and letting you focus on creating. With a 10-micron top print resolution, the M7 Max captures the finest details, while its advanced light source system ensures consistent, accurate curing. The printer features a closed-frame design for safety and reliability, and the intuitive interface makes it easy to start printing right out of the box. Remote monitoring via Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or USB allows users to manage prints effortlessly, whether at home or in a professional workspace. The 11.7 x 6.4 x 11.8-inch build area provides ample room for both personal projects and short-run manufacturing tasks. Professionals will appreciate its industrial-grade build quality and reliability, ideal for rapid prototyping or detailed resin models. Enthusiasts benefit from its sub-$1000 price point, making high-quality resin printing accessible without compromise. Weighing 52.9 pounds and backed by a 1-year warranty, the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max is a robust, dependable solution for anyone seeking precise, high-speed resin prints. Experience superior quality, efficient resin management, and effortless operation in one affordable, high-performance 3D printer. Number 4. Entina Tina2. Discover the joy of 3D printing with the Entina Tina2, a compact, beginner-focused printer designed to make learning and creativity accessible to everyone. Perfect for children, students, or first-time hobbyists, the Tina2 offers an approachable introduction to the world of 3D printing without the steep costs often associated with the hobby. This transparent, open-frame printer provides a 120mm x 100mm build area, ideal for printing toys, figurines, and small projects. Its maximum extruder temperature of 245 degrees Celsius is safe for beginners while supporting basic filaments like PLA. The Tina2 strikes a balance between simplicity and functionality, removing unnecessary features to streamline operation while maintaining reliable performance. Setup is straightforward, making it a great STEM learning tool. Users can gain hands-on experience assembling the printer, understanding how motors, belts, and extruders work, and watching their creations come to life. A standard benchy print completes in about 91 minutes, offering quick gratification for first-time makers. While the build volume and print quality are modest compared to larger or professional printers, the Tina2 delivers excellent value for its price. Its compact size, ease of use, and educational potential make it an ideal gift for young makers or budget-conscious beginners. For those seeking a simple, reliable, and affordable way to explore 3D printing, the Entina Tina2 provides a fantastic introduction. Whether it's printing small toys, personalized trinkets, or learning the fundamentals of 3D printing, this printer turns imagination into tangible creations with minimal hassle. Number 5. Flashforge Adventurer 5M. Step into the world of 3D printing with the Flashforge Adventurer 5M, a versatile and user-friendly printer designed for beginners and hobbyists who want reliable results with minimal setup. With its fully enclosed design, the Adventurer 5M provides a safe and stable printing environment, reducing warping and keeping prints protected while also making it a more child and home-friendly option. The printer features a 220 by 220 by 220 mm build volume, allowing you to create everything from small prototypes to mid-sized functional parts. The PEI build plate ensures excellent adhesion for a wide variety of filaments, while making removal of finished prints easy and hassle-free. The quick-release nozzle simplifies maintenance and filament changes, saving time and effort for both new and experienced users. Setup is a breeze thanks to the auto-leveling feature, ensuring a perfectly calibrated print bed every time, even for those new to 3D printing. The cloud control capability allows you to monitor and manage prints remotely, giving you freedom to start a project from anywhere and keep an eye on progress from your smartphone or computer. Whether you're exploring 3D printing for the first time or looking for a hassle-free upgrade, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M offers plug-and-play convenience, reliability, and excellent print quality. Its combination of safety, ease-of-use features, and modern connectivity makes it a standout choice for students, hobbyists, and homemakers seeking a stress-free 3D printing experience.